Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your GitHub account to Emergent AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Now first things first, we need to go ahead and either create an account or sign in. You can see I am signed in. Then once you've signed in or create your account, you want to click on that connect to GitHub button. Now that's going to open up a new window. Now in this window here, it's going to say install and authorize emergent.sh to your personal account, so that's your GitHub account. So we can choose for all these repositories or only select a few. Then from there, go in and click on install and authorize. If this pops up and it says to sign you in or sign up, just go through that process. So sign into your account or sign up by creating a new account. Then from there, go in and click on install and authorize. Now I need to go ahead and put in my password here to confirm the sign up. Then it says here install and authorize, so I'm going to click on that, installing. Now once you've done that, it's going to say connecting to GitHub. Then it should say GitHub connected, meaning you have successfully connected your GitHub account to Emergent AI.